So hello and welcome back guys to another live trade recap. Today we're going to be doing the trade recap that I've taken just now on 19th March 2026. I think so everyone and their mother should have taken this trade. It's a very well placed, like perfect execution, and also the target hit within like 6 or 5 minutes. Okay, so let's just do the quickly trade recap. So overall going into the day, there was no pre-market analysis for me. Okay, as you can see in the Discord. 19th March pre-market view. There is no view, very confused, no bias as of now. I'll for confirmation, then think about entry. Unemployment claims today, so we can be a bit of choppy. Okay, as you can see here, this is the pre-market. Like see 9:29 a.m. Like we cannot figure out shit from here. Like I don't know, it can either break down here or we take a continuation to the upside. Anything can happen. Okay, so now going into today, going into the day. Then I waited for the market open and we had a initial bearish SMT. This is the bearish SMT to upside, and this I think so many people have taken this trade. This 15 second or 30 second or 30 second change the state of delivery. We inverse this gap, then we can take an entry over here to target this intermediate high and also this high. Okay, but I have as I trade macro, so I waited for my setup to form. Then I waited for 9:50 a.m. to open up. As you can see, I'll just explain this. So today also there was a like perfect example of AMD accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Okay, so the market started as it came here, it displaced through this 5 minute gap and it started accumulating. Then we got a nice displacement to the downside. If you see here, boom, this is the clear manipulation. Like once we break through this, we the most of the traders are thinking that we have inverted this gap, then we are most likely to trade to the downside. But this indeed just happened to be a accumulation. This was the complete accumulation phase. This is the accumulation phase. Then we got a nice manipulation to the downside. Then we got a spike of displacement to the upside distribution. Okay, we invert this gap. I have taken this trade in 15 second. As you can see at 15 second. Boom, right here. So this I have already identified that this accumulation manipulation. Now we are getting ready to distribute to the nearest intermediate high and eventually go out and take out this 30-minute fair value gap. Okay, that was a simple bias of today. Like eventually I thought that we can either just keep on going to the downside, but the market came and tapped this new previous week opening gap, which gave me a little bit confidence that we can still head to the upside after we also get order and a bullish SMT to the upside. Okay, then I had taken my trade around here. I'll just show you my session recording as well. After that I'll show the execution as well. Okay, I'm waiting here. We got a bullish SMT here. We get a CSD with the display. So here we are. It's the perfect opportunity to enter. Since I trade macro, I'm waiting for my time to enter. Then we I'm waiting here. As you can see here, here it starts accumulating. Now first I had considered this to be the manipulation, but I had waited for further confirmation. And since we got another bearish candle, we see here we got nice bearish candle, then this considered as manipulation point. So we accumulated, manipulated, then we distributed AMD perfect model. As you can see, then I marked out the CSD in 15-second time frame and I've executed from there. As we closed above this point, I've executed my trade there. As this point, I've already executed my trade in two account. Okay, because this is a little bit discretionary model as well, because I've already identified that we have accumulated, manipulated. Now unless we manipulate again a second time, this most likely is a displacement or distribution to the opposing side of liquidity or to the intermediate high. Okay, then the market just kept on going. As you can see, it just kept on going and I didn't get my time to take screenshot as well. and I put a break even around here when it was around 40 handles. Then eventually it got taken out as my take profit. Okay, and this is a simple trade. I got put break even here, and my overall trade got taken out somewhere around here. Boom, here was my entire trade, everything done. And I'll just show you the execution as well. So as you can see here, today is 19th March. This is the first execution, US 100 1.5 lot. Booked here 1%, and in equity edge 2%, same as previous day. Yes, day before yesterday. This was the trade day before yesterday. Yesterday's trade was also supposed to be a winning trade. Technically, I'm supposed to be in a winning streak, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This was supposed to be a winning trade. I had moved my stop loss here. I had explained yesterday's video. As I had moved my stop loss, it stopped me out and kept on going to the downside. See here, to make sure to check out my previous video, it stopped me out and went and hit my take profit. So technically, this is a winning period, and I need to capitalize on that. Okay, and margin. So this was the both execution. As you can see, March 19, March 19. Okay, so yeah, that was our trade recap. Nothing much more happened. Let's see where the market is now. This was the like perfect. We inverted the 15-minute gap. We invert this gap, 30-second gap. Then we had a manipulation move. CSG changed the state of delivery. Now target to the nearest drawn liquidity was this intermediate high, and eventually take out this 30-minute gap. Let's see if we have taken out that. We have not taken out that. We are still consolidating here. Uh, so yeah, that was overall trade. Thank you so much guys for watching. Nothing more to explain. Make sure to check out my Lucid trading account. Lucid trading video I posted here. Buying. I didn't take this trade on Lucid. I have not taken, as you can see here. I have not taken this trade on Lucid. It's still valid. I've taken this on CFD farm, and I'm going to be stop trading CFD farms. I'm going to completely switch to trading only futures in futures farm. Okay, so check out this video, and this video was yesterday's trade recap. Everything I've posted here, so you can just go into the channel and check out everything whatever you like. Okay, this trade happened very quickly. We see the 1 minute time frame. I'd enter around here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So within 5 minutes, my trade got hit. Okay, I didn't leave any partial running because everything worked out pretty perfectly. So okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. My student also took this trade. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Peace out.